Hello students, welcome to today's English 1 class. Today we are going to learn about our next chapter, chapter 21, adverbs. Let's look into the definition of adverbs. We use adverbs to say something about verbs. Okay, so what does this say actually? Do you remember adjectives? What do adjectives do? Adjectives, they used to say something more about nouns. Remember? So just like that, adverbs are used to say something more about the verbs. Okay, so to remember that easily, you can think like this: they add with the verb, or they are adverbs. Okay, this way you can think them easily. What are adverbs? Okay, now in this unit we are going to learn about three types of adverbs. What are they? First one, how adverbs. Second one, when adverbs. Third one, where adverbs. Okay, let's learn about that.
Go.
So first, let's look at the first example. How adverbs. So description will be, they describe how an action is done. So let's look at an example. Here we have a noun, monkeys, verb, chatter, and adverb, noisily. Okay, so this is the sentence itself. Monkeys chatter noisily. Okay, now in order to know whether this one is how adverb, we can simply ask a question. Okay, it is known as a how question. So how do the monkeys chatter? Okay, how? Noisily. Okay, so whenever we can answer this question using this adverb, it is known as a how adverb. So the next type will be when adverbs. So let's look at the description. Some adverbs tell us when an action is done. Okay, so if you look at an example here, just like the previous example, we have a noun, Ria, a verb, Dan, and an adverb, yesterday. So from the past, the one we already know that we can look at the adverb and find whether it is a how adverb by asking a how question. So here we will be asking a when question. Okay, so the question will be, when did Ria dance? So our answer will be that adverb, yesterday. See, if we can answer like this for a when question, this will become a when adverb. And let's look at the last type of adverbs. The next type of adverbs are where adverbs. So let's look at the definition of them. Some adverbs describe where an action is taking place or where they takes place. So let's look at the example. Mother is sitting upstairs. Here we have a noun, mother, verb, is sitting, and an adverb, upstairs. So we already know how to check whether this is a where adverb. How do we do that? We ask a where question. Okay, so let's look here. Where is mother sitting? So our answer will be this adverb, upstairs. Okay, so whenever we ask a where question and the adverb becomes the answer, this is where adverb. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you and have a nice day.